Hey guys, how are you doing today at Devil Tattoo Studios, Dr. Tattoo Studio? What I'll be teaching you is to do perfect lines on a basic tattoo. It's very easy. You can do it at if you're a beginner tattoo artist or a professional tattoo artist. If you perfect your lines, the tattoo will look good. With the start of it, I'll be using my EZ wireless machine. I'll just press the zipper on it and place it at 8 because I do the linings on 8.3. That's the basic because you can choose it at 7 or you can choose it at 8 or 9, depends on your hand. I'm comfortable with 8.5 to 8.3 for the lining. Now this is the design we'll be doing on the practice skin, so I can show you how a perfect line is done. Since I printed it all with stencil printer, and it's very scientists have made it very easy for tattooing people around the globe, that stencil printer is a great help. I'm pretty thankful to them. What I'll be using is a 3RL needle cartridge, and lining is very easy. You have to place the tattoo machine like this. Put a little Vaseline over here or petroleum jelly, whatever you place it on the surface like this, and when you're tattooing, move it along. Go like a floating person. Do not force it in too much for the tattoo. What will happen? It will below the skin and screw up the tattoo. So first things first, I'll be filling up with Dynamic Triple Black. That is my ink for tattooing. I use it for gray wash. It's a good brand. I like this brand, and in fact, a lot of tattoo artists in the world use a similar brand, Dynamic, because it's very good on the skin, and at the same time, it helps heal the tattoo better. Think about doing lines in a way, not just right then and there. It's a long process of healing a tattoo. It takes around 6 months for a tattoo to properly heal. So do lines in a way they do not spread in their skin. It should be smooth way. You can call the client for a retouch up after a month rather than just forcing the needle inside the client. So yeah, we'll be starting this right now because I will be telling such things in my other classes, in my other videos. Subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and that's it.
We'll be taking out the stencil.
So we are doing the fine line. What you need to do is apply a little bit of petroleum jelly on the fake skin. You can use different sort of things to practice the tattoo on. And with the being said that, what you do is you need to prepare a little for the tattoo. Okay, how we will be doing the tattoo? You need to stretch this part of the skin, as you can see, this part, and place your hand on the such a surface that it. Okay, let me just do it. It automatically makes it possible for a line to be very smooth. Look at this. This is too much stress on the stencil paper. Now we will be doing the line in a way. Always place your hand in this position on the person and make it a lever. While you're doing lines, always think that you're using a pen, so that it will help you out in understanding the basic line concept. See, once you're done, through the lines. Now apply more of the petroleum jelly on the desired surface. I'm using 8.3 as a medium for doing lines. Just float your needle on the stencil paper and on the practice skin. Do not, do this in a matter of, hurry. Always start your tattoo from the bottom, because as you can see on the stencil skin, what happens is it spreads. So you have to, make the lines in order. You gradually, check this out, gradually look nicer and thicker, because always thick lines are always good after healing. Stretch this portion of the skin and do not over push it. I did it over here. However, if you over push it, you will swing it other way. Surface is hard, but always have this grip maintained. Do not overdo the lines. Like if you start and you stop in the middle, this will create a bluster, and you will not be very smooth line. So go straight up. Do not be like taking the tattoo pen in the middle of the line and the client is screaming and you have to stop. So tell him we get prepared for the tattoo accordingly. Apply petroleum jelly to soothe the area. Always clear. Do not push too hard. Do not push too light, because at the end of the day, if you push too hard, the skin will scrap off. See, I'm using only 8.3 on this, and the lines are coming very fine. Always do thicker lines. Yes. Do not rush your tattoo. Let it take time. If you think that one of the line is not that good, really bad, but always do the line once. Don't use a crappy tattoo machine in order to do a tattoo. Always buy a very good machine from the market. You don't even need to follow your stencil at time. If you place the stencil in a good way, you will not be needing all these consistent, but in a way, the tattooing goes very smooth. See this. And place your arm on your wrist and do not overshadow your tattoo while you're doing the tattoo because you're at the end doing it on the skin. Either practice skin or real skin has a lot of difference comparatively to practice skin. See this line? It's distorted, so I'll be doing it again. So this is our actual design, and we did the bird in a way that the more you'll be practicing this, the more it will help you out in doing the tattoo. Practice is very important in tattooing. After you've done that, you have to clean your practice skin with soap, and if you want to fully clean it, you can use Vaseline over it. You have to keep on practicing until you'll be an expert in tattooing. It's never too late to start your perfect lines. I know there's some disordered lines in this tattoo as well, but this is because of practice skin. Keep on trying, you will one day achieve and become a very good tattoo artist. Subscribe my channel for more.